guys, for today's video guys, I'm going to the restaurant and then gonna some buy food like that. So just already to order and then eating already. Now we're gonna eat. After that, gonna take a picture. Ayan guys, no, picture
Ay,
muna kami.
palakad-lakad.
Kasi
Ayan.
nagpatunaw
So,
kami ng food. That's it, diba guys?
Ikot doon sa may gitna. Doon ka, doon. Ayan. Ikot-ikot. Sige, hanggang doon. Ayan, yan. Ayan. Ang pisay ng tag... Ayan. Basa ka dyan.
A big building here. Oh. Diba? Look up there, guys. Oh, diba? A lot of building here. Oh my goodness. Oh, diba? See? Look at there, behind there, oh. See? Ito guys, nandito kami ngayon sa SM Aura na masyal. This is my legs guys. And in front of the big building. A lot of building here. Look at this one. See?
That's it. Thanks you for the watching. Bye bye guys.